Are you swinging? Swinging. Look at this. Wow.
I want to get in there.
I could. Ethan, look, come in this. Look at this like mommy. Look at this. Are you spinning in circles?
Mommy.
What? Look. Mommy's gonna come this way. You wanna come and get?
Be careful.
Here?
No, you can sit in. No, go. But just be careful when you swing up. It goes fast. That'll put it on.
Don't push.
Don't push. Okay.
Are you in charge?
Leanna's in charge of
Your mom told me
everything.
that she's like, that she was different than you, just the fact that she knows that she's like stubborn, that she knows what she wants.
She
Ethan, are you
knows
okay?
what she wants.
Is Ethan nervous?
Leanna, you're going a little fast.
Ethan, are you okay?
What's the green one?
More? Oh my god. I thought he was scared.
No, we were on the plane. There was a lot of turbulence.
Careful.
He kept going. It's more bumps.
Oh my god. Are you
On the plane
serious?
ride.
Eliana's an athlete. She's going to be on a soccer team. She's been taking swimming lessons since she was 5 months old.
Really?
Ami's going to start when we get home.
Wow. Ethan, aren't you dizzy? I'm dizzy watching you.
It's hysterical. And all she wants to do is do more pushing. She doesn't even want to be out there.
Ethan, are you having fun? Alright, I don't want you to throw up, but... Okay, well.
Okay, guys, maybe we'll go play something else now.
Want to the music room?
Oh, let's play music. Ethan, you want to play music? What do you like to play? Saxophone? Trains? Okay, you ready?
Okay, time to get off.
Out. Okay.